Welcome to the channel. Chrome Developer Tools is a big plus for developers. It is powerful and equally comprehensive. You can easily and effectively edit your website or web pages with the Chrome Developer Tools. So in this video, I will show you how to enable Developer Tools the easy way. Some people do go for the three dots up here. Then when click on the three dots, they do navigate to more tools, then from more tools to Developer Tools, you see. But there is a quicker way for this by using the shortcut. So what then is the shortcut? Here is an on-screen keyboard. I will show you what to do. On your keyboard, simultaneously hold down these three keys, Control key, Shift key, and the letter J. You can see we got same result. So it is faster to apply the shortcut, as you can see. So here, I will go ahead and increase it 100%. Let me go for 150 so that you can see it clearly. So here, you can check different dimensions. This dimension is iPhone SE dimension. You can go for iPhone XR. This is the dimension for that. Samsung Galaxy S8. This is the dimension. And you see a lot of other dimensions here you can see. And here is for a responsive website. Let's see. If you want to create a YouTube chart, 1920, that is the dimension for YouTube chart. Now, that is it for this video. Remember to go to the channel and check our videos out. We have a lot of videos in anything technology. So we source our content from the evolving technology as we wait for more technological evolution. Thank you for watching and God bless you. And please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.